Those of you that don't know me, now you do. My name is Miguel Sanchez, and I have been selling on Amazon for the last 4 years. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your first 10K profit as fast as possible. And who is this video for? This video is for literally anybody that's stuck at making below $5,000 in profit, right? And I know how you're feeling. I know where you're at because I was stuck there making 3,000, 5,000, or even $4,000 in profit for months. And I want you to get out of that loophole as fast as possible. And this is still for anybody that's just getting started because this is information I wish I had when I first started selling on Amazon. I don't want you guys lose money like the way I did, right? First things first, we're going to be talking about Amazon arbitrage FBM. And it's pretty simple. Let me break it down for you easily, right? Amazon FBM arbitrage is pretty much where you're having the product shipped to your house and you're sending it out, and that just sets out the foundation for you of selling on Amazon. You need to learn how to buy 10 units first before you go ahead and buy 50 or even 100. Most people are out here getting started buying 40, 60 units by doing Amazon FBA arbitrage, and you're only going to lose money that way. Not only that, people are learning the old strategies from before of buying from Walmart, Target, and then next you know, all their products tank. Not only that, you also wasted almost a month just to see for you to get sales. Because you got to remember, you got to send those products to the FBA, prep center to FBA, and that takes about 14 to 18 days for your products to activate. So you're waiting for to see sales 1 month later. It's definitely not worth it, right? That's only worth it when it comes to doing a wholesale or brand direct wholesale, and also with arbitrage. But with arbitrage, you need to have like some skill and some you need to have some skill and some strategies in the game in order to sustain this, right? So let's get back to the basics. All right. So the reason why you're only stuck at making 5K or below, or even $1,000, $2,000 in profits, because you're too busy using old strategies or methods from old YouTube videos, right? If you go on YouTube and you search on Amazon FBA arbitrage or FBA arbitrage, you're gonna see people showing you what worked back in 2020. People are buying from Walmart, Target, Home Depot. Like this used to work back in 2020 when it was super simple. You could still buy from those stores, but you have to be a little bit more smarter on how and what products you need to buy, right? I'll give you one tip, right? If you're going to be selling a single listing on Amazon, you need to be buying bundles from those stores, right? When you buy the bundle, you're getting it for a cheaper cost. That's something good for you guys. I can't tell you guys the specific category, but definitely do your research. Those strategies do not work anymore. Everybody's going on YouTube and literally doing the same thing, right? That's why these products keep taking down. You're doing the same thing as 80% of other Amazon sellers. You're bound to fail, and this will lead you to losing money. Separate yourself from the competition, guys. Start thinking outside the box. Start doing what nobody else is doing, right? How can you differentiate yourself? Buying from other online retail stores, such as the Vitamin Shop or what's that one? The Vitamin Shop and other vitamin stores, if you guys get what I'm saying, or other even online discounted retail stores. I have so many in my head, I can't even think right now at the moment. But if anything, I definitely will pop it up, right? Online stores, brick and mortar stores, and etc. Build the connections with these online retail stores, right? If you find a good product, let's just say you get like a 15% coupon. You've never heard of the retail store, right? Obviously, you want to do your research. Definitely just go at the bottom, look at their address. And if it looks like an actual retail store, but they're also selling online, definitely buy from them. And also, I'm going to give you guys another tip: build a connection with them. Email them the exact product that you want. Hey, I saw that you have this tool. Can I please buy 200 units off of you? I would love to work with you in the long term. I also have two other units. So you want to go ahead and let them know that you want to buy three different items at 200 units, right? This is when if you're making 5K a month already, you're pretty much going to have to start doing this in order for you to reach even 10K a month. If to reach 10K a month, you guys got to start buying already in the hundreds of units for specific products, right? Obviously, if you're making 5K a month already, you're already confident yourself on buying 10 to 30 units, probably even up to 100 units almost. right? So build the connections with these online retail stores. Don't be afraid. You're going to get a lot of no's, but sometimes it takes that one yes. But let me even give you guys this. There's like a 40% chance that these online retail stores will work with you, right? And a lot of the gurus are going to hate for me giving you this type of info, but I don't want you guys struggling anymore. Not buying directly from big box stores. Again, guys, you can still buy from Walmart, Target, Home Depot, but you got to be more creative with it. Being super creative and testing new methods of sourcing, right? Don't do the same thing that everybody else is doing. Everybody else is doing manual sourcing. That takes hours. Like if you're going to go on freaking GNC or freaking Walmart or Lowe's, iHerb, you're doing the same thing as and even Kohl's. Kohl's is a great example. Everybody uses Kohl's because supposedly it gives you the cashback. I had never used it, didn't want to, never wanted my products to tank. I've used it for FBM, but never for FBA, right? So again, be different. Only buying discounted products with gift cards and coupons. Guys, in order for you to succeed in the arbitrage business, the only products you should be buying are products where you can use gift cards or coupons, right? And you want to be using legit gift cards. I've heard people in this space were using fake gift cards. I never knew how to do it, never found out about it, never even tried. So I definitely don't recommend this. I don't want you guys getting in trouble. And matter of fact, and people that are using discount fake gift cards, they're no longer even in the game, right? So do everything legitimate, and yeah, buying directly from authentic suppliers. Now this is a little bit more advanced, but if you want to hit that 10K month ASAP, definitely start targeting suppliers. So letting them know exactly what products you want at the price, brand, and product. Exactly what I just told you before when it comes to like the online retail stores. Again, that's a huge tip I just gave you guys. If you all it takes is like 2 to 3 online retail stores for you to be buying continuously. Nobody's gonna tell you that, but I am, right? Nobody wants to give you guys the socks for free, but I am. Again, let's get out of this 5K. Letting them know exactly what products you want at the price. Guys, when it comes to these online retail stores, you gotta let them know what you want right away. Don't be the freaking regular on Amazon seller. Oh, hey, can I get your product list, your wholesale supplier list? They're gonna automatically think you're an Amazon seller, and they're going to automatically think you're a newbie and you're a starter, and you're just gonna be just gonna waste their time, bro. They're not even gonna answer your email. I promise you that. Half of those suppliers are probably not gonna answer your email if you go up to them like that. They want somebody who's a big dog, somebody who's serious, like yourself, that's watching this video, to know exactly what you want, right? If you see a certain brand, a certain product, let's just say you could sell a certain brand on Amazon already. If you could sell a certain brand and certain product on Amazon, and this retail store has that brand, there's a high chance that they have that product, right? They already have the brand, and there is also a high chance that they have that product, right? You always want to go up to at least with like 3 products. Hey, can I get this product at 200 units at this price, right? You don't want to lowball, but you want to make sure that you're in profit, right? I like to do $2 and above, but if I have to even set it for 1.50, I'll do it. I Most importantly, like I said, it's up to you guys. Your business doesn't matter what margin you want, but I like to do $2 in profit for every single product and above. Again, you could even go down to 0.50 if that thing sells at freaking um who knows, fucking 3,000 units per month, 0.50 cents in profit times, let's just say 2,000. That's 1K in profit. I'd still do it. That's 1K in profit. That pays half of the bills for you guys just off one product. Think of it that way. Now let's do 1.50. 1.50 times 2,000. Bro, that pays all of your bills. Everybody watching this video, that pays all your bills. That pays your rent. That pays everything for you guys. But anyways, guys, when it comes to suppliers, they want a big dog. They want somebody who's serious. Email them what you want. Keep it simple. Remember, this isn't no small game of 10 units. We are doing 400 plus units or more of the, thousands of units now, right? This isn't arbitrage anymore where you're buying 10 to 50 products off of these online retail stores. You want to step up and get to that 10K profit per month as fast as possible. Matter of fact, once you start doing from suppliers, you could go from anywhere from 10 to 30K, right? 5, buying from brands. Buying from brands is a different ball game. I definitely want you guys to implement this. Start using Smart Scout. Smart Scout. Here, let me type it in for you guys. smartscout.com. But you guys already saw it, right? Smart Scout. Definitely, this is an extension for you to find brands or even wholesale suppliers for you to target. And also, it's a great extension for you to find those medium size or low brands for you to contact, and you could start working with them, right? Remember, these guys are small. They're new to the game. They're new in the trenches, and they're willing to work with almost anybody, right? But in order for you to separate yourself, you need to be providing value to the brand, right? What type of value providing? Learning how to run their brand on Amazon, providing PPC campaigns, fixing their images, fixing their listings, fixing their bullet points. You want to make sure that you're actually providing value. And let me also give you a tip. You want to make sure that you're part of their mission. So obviously email them, send them a template. I'll also leave the template below. That way you guys can see what I use, right? Buying thousands of dollars worth of inventory. And let me tell you guys, these brands love the big pay. You're going when it comes to these brands, man, they once they see the money, they're eventually going to accept it. They're going to be like, oh shit, like this guy's serious, right? Say you want to make an order. Hey, we want 3,000 units of this specific product, and then we also want 4,000 units of this specific product, right? Easy, simple. You go directly with that, knowing what you want, knowing how many units, telling them the price as well, and also providing value on why they should work with you and how you can help them. Where you do that stuff, you're locking in that brand, and then you can wait a couple weeks later, couple weeks, couple months. You want to do weeks though? Wait till you get exclusivity with that brand, right? And let me move my thing right here. To finalize this, the game is simple. You can go as low as possibly as you can, right? Be creative with your strategy and see how you can be different from other sellers when it comes to sourcing. That's all it is, guys. Just be different, provide value to the brands, be a serious person in this business. Don't run this as just like a side hustle. Have a VA help you out, email these suppliers and brands. Have the VA be serious as well with their emails saying like, hey, we want this, you know? Make it simple for yourself where you're still doing FBM arbitrage, shipping products out of your own house so you could get the cash flow coming in as fast as possible. That's why I like FBM. I didn't get to tell you this earlier. But to end this video, that's how you can get to 10K in profit per month as fast as possible, right? I don't want to make this video any longer, but it's super simple. You move quick, efficient. I literally provided all the value for you to make 10K as fast as possible. So if you guys want to learn more on how to get to 10K profit as quick as possible, shoot me a message on Instagram. My team and I will see how we can help you get there. Good luck and wish you the best. Cheers. Also, my IG is right here. And I wish you guys nothing but an amazing 2025. And I hope you guys hit your first 100K in profit this year. Talk soon.